So, today I'm going to talk about how to grow dragon fruit from seed. I've got some here that I planted, and you can see on this little guy right here, he's got little spines coming out. So definitely a little dragon fruit. These little guys are from a yellow skin dragon fruit. But the methodology is going to be pretty similar between them and other kinds of dragon fruit. The yellow ones have generally larger seeds, whereas others have like tons and tons of smaller seeds. So what you want to do is just first you'll cut up your dragon fruit and collect a bunch of seeds. They have a ton. In the case of the yellow dragon fruit, they have larger seeds. But either way, you'll collect your seeds and you'll notice that they have kind of a gelatin coating around them. And you can keep them in water and clean them periodically to help break down that coating. Some will break down faster than others. With the yellow dragon fruit, the coatings took some time to break down. On a white flesh dragon fruit that I sprouted as well, the coating broke down almost immediately, and they were all sprouting in the water. It was crazy. So this can be very, very easy to do. These ones took some time to sprout since they never sprouted in water, and even after the coating had broken down, when I planted them, they just kind of were dormant in the soil for a while. So you just be patient, give it time. I think these ones took a few weeks, maybe even a month, to finally sprout, and that was with them being on a heat mat, but they eventually made it. So yeah, you just want to collect your seeds from the fruit, break down the coating. If they sprout in water, you're ahead of the game. If they don't, then you can go ahead and plant them out and be patient with them. They are a tropical cactus, so they like warmer climates. So if you were in a colder area, then they might take more time.